What if you could make an extra $500 to $1,000 every month without quitting your job? These are the best side hustles in the USA right now that anyone can start. Right now, millions of people in the United States are looking for ways to earn extra money. And the truth is, depending on just one income source is risky. The good news is there are real side hustles you can start today without any special skills. In this video, I'll show you some of the best side hustles in the USA right now that are simple, flexible, and actually working. Let's start with the first one. Number one is delivery driving. Apps like DoorDash and Uber Eats allow you to earn money by delivering food in your free time. You can work whenever you want, and many people are making a few $100s every week with this. Number two is reselling. This is one of the easiest ways to start. You buy products at a low price and sell them for a profit. Platforms like eBay and Facebook Marketplace make it easy to find buyers. People are flipping items like electronics, furniture, and even clothes. Number three is house cleaning services. This might sound simple, but it pays really well. Many people don't have time to clean their homes and are willing to pay for it. You can start locally, and once you get a few regular clients, it becomes steady income. Number four is pet sitting and dog walking. If you like animals, this is a great option. Apps like Rover connect you with pet owners. You can earn money just by taking care of pets or walking dogs. Number five is renting out what you already own. If you have a car, a room, or equipment, you can rent it out and earn passive income. Platforms like Turo allow you to rent your car to others and get paid daily. Now here's the reality. No side hustle will make you rich overnight, but if you stay consistent and treat it seriously, it can easily become a strong second income. If you are just starting, choose something simple like delivery, reselling, or pet sitting. Start small, learn fast, and improve every day. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Money Magnet for more real ways to earn money and build income.